let's just proceed to the uh, production process so that we know exactly what to do and what not. So, what goes in first into your pot is your water after you've actually measured out everything that you need. So, what goes into your pot first will be your your water. Then after that comes your cargon. Then your cargon goes into your mixing pot and for it to dissolve. So the next thing that goes into the pot is your binder. In this production, we'll be using uh, nuts, but the recommended binder that should be used is Bamako. So I've added my nuts into the pot. It took a little bit time to dissolve because the nut has already consumed in the first place. So it took a little time to get it to dissolve. So after you've added your Bamako, what goes in next is ammonia. Then you add your ammonia next. And the one thing I actually want to quickly state here is that when you're working with ammonia and formalin, you need to be very, very careful, extremely careful. The combination of those two stuff can be very explosive. It can be very, very explosive. A little of the ammonia, very small amount of it. The next thing that goes in is actually your butyl glycol. This is butyl glycol. You want to add that. You want to add that to your production. Butyl glycol. These are just cool solvents. And one of the functions of this glycol